review, and I'm gonna be reviewing this hair. I got it from Sam's Beauty, samsbeauty.com, and this is what the model looks like. She's in the green version. The name of the wig is Trissa. It also comes in other colors. It comes in 613 99J, a burgundy wine, jade, which I believe is green, I'm not sure. Comes in lavender, which I got, and a 1B/30 and a 4/30. Also a few instructions on how to maintain the hair and how to style the hair. It says to not brush, blow dry, or use curling irons or other heat appliances when wet, and do not expose the hair to heat in excess of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I never apply heat to my synthetic wigs. I don't even want to try it even for fun. I feel like it's just best to wear them in the style they're coming. Okay, so backstory, I saw this wig on another YouTuber. I'll leave the name of her channel on the screen and also in the description box. She was wearing the black in one of her videos. I remember replying, "Oh girl, like, where did you get your wig from?" She replied and she was like, "It's actually not human hair. It's actually a synthetic lace wig. It's a Trissa wig from Sensational." I was like, what? Like, if you didn't tell me, like, I would not have guessed. I'm just gonna take it out of the box. As you can see, it's just covered in some net. So straight out of the box, it looks good. It's kind of like a gray purple. It's a little bit dry, but we're gonna have to apply some styling oil to it. It comes with the lace, of course. We're gonna cut that off in a few minutes. It comes with an adjustable strap at the back. It has combs, about 3 combs, one in the back and 2 on the sides. As you can see, they're pretty much like holes in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. There's like no cap, nothing. I feel like that part is a little bit flimsy. I'm just gonna apply my got2b glue, and I'm just gonna apply that to the perimeter, I should say. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of foundation. But I pretty much just use my blow dryer for a few minutes just to get the glue tacky. You don't really need to do all these steps for synthetic hair, if I'm being honest, but I just want to do it. I really want to lay the hair perfectly so you guys can see exactly what it looks like, you know, if you put your mind into it. It actually fits quite snug. It still has that like new hair smell, but it fits like really snug. I feel like this could almost give me a headache, but you know, I think I can like always like fix that and loosen it at the back. I'm just gonna put in the comb. I'm just gonna use the back comb only. I don't really think you need the front combs, but if you feel like you do, then you have it there for that reason. I'm just gonna apply some argan oil. This one's from Marc Anthony, and this one's just a dry styling oil. It doesn't make the hair heavy or anything. It has a really good smell to it. Oh, it smells so bad. So I'm just gonna comb right through it. I wanted to know if the hair sheds. Yes, it does. And I'm gonna try and make some baby hairs just to make it a little bit more realistic. And I'm gonna set the baby hairs using my got2b glue. And to be honest, I don't really have a trick to it. I pretty much just brush it until, you know, the baby hairs kind of look a little bit realistic. You can definitely go in and maybe tweeze some hair off the front to make it look a little more natural. But I honestly, personally wouldn't go into that much trouble for a synthetic wig. It's not that serious. So the last step would be to apply some concealer to the part just to make it a lot more visible. So that's pretty much everything I had to do for this wig. As you can see, this hair has a whole lot of volume. Like, take a look at this. I love how bouncy the curls are. I feel like even with human hair, sometimes we're like so lazy to curl our hair. It's actually very hard to actually achieve these curls sometimes. But I just love this hair. I love the color. And one thing I'll say is that the lavender is actually not overpowering. The hair is pretty long for sure. It goes all the way down to my belly. I'll say it's about 24 inches or even longer. If you're wondering if you actually look great on your skin tone, here's your answer. It looks good. It looks bomb. I feel like it would look good on someone who's a lot darker than I am, someone who's a whole lot lighter than I am. The hair is just gorgeous. All in all, I would say I love the hair, I love the style, I love the length, I love the color of the hair, I love that it doesn't require too much manipulation. I love that you can customize like baby hairs and make it like look like really good. I love the part. I feel like it's a decent part, you know. It's not too big, it's not too small. I really didn't have to do anything to it other than apply some concealer, so yeah, that works. Downside to it is that the hair does shed, all synthetic hairs do, and then I do feel like it could tangle, like with time it probably would tangle a lot, so it probably would require a little bit more care and detangling. Other than that, I feel like this hair is perfect for the summer. The color is beautiful, and oh my gosh, if you're a chocolate lady, I feel like this hair would look good on you. For $21.99 on Sam's Beauty, I feel like this hair is an absolute steal. So if you're looking for something so you can, you know, switch up from time to time, I would recommend this hair. I guess my only other complaint with Sam's Beauty would be the shipping fee for Canadians. I wish they'd, you know, review that part. I feel like if they could calm down with lower shipping rates, I would probably be like buying almost every single thing on that website. With shipping, I ended up paying about $61.80, so I paid about $40 for shipping, which is a little bit heartbreaking. Other than that, everything was great. Shipping is usually on time. I got the hair within maybe 3 business days, I think. It wasn't that long. It never takes so long with that side. Shipping was great. Hair is great. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope it was somewhat helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what hair or what synthetic hair I should try next on my channel. And yeah, let me know if this video was helpful or not. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!